Now presenting the Prism Airbrush Palette, the only color mixing and changing device on the market, with 5 variable flow control valves, which allows multiple color combinations and hues. The Prism Airbrush Palette comes completely assembled and ready to use. The paint container fits snugly on the wrist with a Velcro strap to keep it in place. Adding longer tubing, not included, you are able to hang it at a stationary location near your table. Now we grab our paint or ink, open the cap of one of the paint reservoirs, then pour your color into it. Make sure you put the cap on tight. Once you have all your colors filled and the airbrush attached, you will then fill the tubes going from the paint container to the Prism Airbrush Palette. I'm currently using an Iwata top-fed airbrush. The Prism Airbrush Palette adapts to any bottom-fed airbrushes. Now make sure it fits snugly into the airbrush by putting pressure on it and giving it a slight twist back and forth. Now you're ready to paint. And here we go. Open your choice of color valve all the way for one single color. You will notice it sprays a clean and smooth flow on the canvas. Now in order to go to another single color, close the previous valve and open another. You can now see how the color transition is very quick and easy, giving you a nice clean single color. Go to another one. And there you see it quickly changing from the red to the blue. Now in order to mix multiple colors, simply adjust any combination or all 5 valves until you attain the color or hue you want. Combination of 3 primary colors creates a nice earth tone. Adjusting the valves in different positions creates browns, grays, and even black. You can create multiple shades by adding white. To go from a dark color as I have here to white, close all valves, open the water or solvent valve, spray to clear previous color, then close that valve and open the white and spray a little clear to clear any water or solvent left. Now there might be a little water left, and now you see a nice clean white. All the colors and hues you can imagine right at your fingertips when you have a Prism Airbrush Palette.